everyone, how's it going? So I have this new product for the Hummer EV. This is from EV Base. As you know, in the Hummer EV is very dark in the interior. So to even get ambient lighting, GM only sells for the front and they charge over $1,000 with installation. That's ridiculous. You can get this for 1/10 of that, if not even 1/20 of that, and the cost of this outweighs the installation. The installation takes less than 5 minutes, really. So what you get is you get this dash that actually can stay on as a solid color, or when it recognizes voice or music, it plays with the beat. So for example, right now it's playing with the voice. So if I turn the music on, it's gonna go with the beat. Now, this is pretty cool party trick, especially if you just park or you're at a car event or whatnot. But driving wise, I find to have this as a solid color, and let me adjust this. You can do this by pressing on the switch from the USB or from the actual app itself. So let me see if I can get to the app. I have it switched to red. So red is really the color that will keep you awake, especially at night. And I have it for down in the Footwells as well. Let me show you what you get in this package. So this is a pretty robust package. So EV Base, if you're not familiar with them, they sell so much accessories for all EVs, including Hummer, which is rare to find. You get a little tuck-in pry tool to tuck away the wires. You get some double-sided adhesive. You got this strip, and you can see how thin the LED strip is. Very thin. Thinnest I have ever seen. So you can't get this from Amazon or any other aftermarket accessory. This is super thin. So this actually goes under the actual footwell there. And then you can have these two. So they have two of the strip for the actual storage in the center console, and I'll show you where that is in a second. And then the full dash. All this connects to one harness, one USB. So you only need to connect one USB-A, so you don't take up any other space for the USB slot. So there's two in the front that you can access to, and they do have the extension so you can connect it to the actual USB port, which I have connect here. So I have the second kit for a friend that I'll be helping install, but I already installed it in this Hummer EV. You can see how amazing it looks. Again, just double-sided tape, and it sits perfectly. The LED facing inside, it lines up perfectly with the dash between the windshield and the vents there, as you see. And then the bottom piece you have here, you can see storage down here. There's really no light, so I have a hard time figuring out what I have down here during the nighttime, but this helps a lot. And then of course your footwell LED as well for the driver. So very bright. You can change this in different color RGB. If you're interested in this product, it takes less than 5 minutes to install, really. I mean, if you want to, take your time, no more than 10 minutes. It's all 3M adhesive. You tuck away the wires. Basically, I run the wires from the left side along the trim here, down here, across, below where the dash is, underneath, not behind the steering wheel, but underneath, all the way where your vents is at. And then across here, plug into this USB-A, and you're done. That is it. They also provide you with a USB splitter right here. So you can adjust the color by app or by the switch on the actual controller. So right here, there's a button that you can push on. Where is that switch at? Right there. Get that in focus. And then there's a QR code for the app that you can manipulate the color even further. So again, from EV Base, check them out. Link in the description of this video. Great addition to the Hummer EV. Okay, so now it's green, purple, white, rainbow, RBG. You can do different sequence. You play with the beat of the music. So when you're playing music, this will play with the beat. Pretty awesome. You can also turn it off, of course, back to red, green. And this is just with the switch from the USB A, but with the app, you can do so much more. So how cool is that? So let's play some music and let's get this going. Let's do this beat. So you can change the color with this. Even the voice recognition, it will recognize and flash with the beat. So let's turn on some music. Hopefully I don't get copyright here. But you can see. And you can change the color of this too. Right now is in purple. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone, that your love is gone.